Hello friends, Indrila from Moorpunk Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. Recently we crafted a few very nice and soft pure handloom cotton sarees from Dhaniakhali. Dhaniakhali is a district in West Bengal where from time uh, you know God knows when the Bengal handloom sarees are being made, and they are the most famous. मुझे वो दो अजरक भी दिखा देना. The most famous place in Bengal where the cottons are just the loved. We love the cottons of Dhania Khali, and my mom, her mom, and from generations, Dhania Khali sarees have been outstanding, just outstanding. So very soft and nice, and these sarees all come with the handloom mark, and absolutely proper handloom mark sarees. You can scan it and know that which weaver has made these sarees. So the first one, and a little embellishment in these lovely cottons. So this is the first saree. The body is this is the palla. The palla has this broad border. Now this is the Dhania Khali identification. This this VVV patterns. We call it dhaner shish. Dhan, the rice paddy. So we call it dhaner shish in Bengal, because everything is so related to the agricultural agriculture, because we were an agrarian economy. So everything relates to the agricultural, to the to the nature. So dhaner sheesh is something which the paddy is all all the agricultural stuff. So I mean, so that is what it is called, dhaner sheesh. It's in a very in a very rural, rustic, colloquial word, we would call it dhaner sheesh in Bengali. So this is the identification mark in Dhania Khali. Now the whole sari has been done beautifully designed with this hand block. See, this is a विदर्भा टसर का जो वीविंग होती है, विदर्भा टसर का जो वीविंग होती है वो हमने इधर ब्लॉक में डाल दिया है. हमने ये सब ब्लॉक्स, हमारा जो स्पेशलिस्ट है जयपुर में, वहाँ से हम ये ब्लॉक्स बनाते हैं, और इस ब्लॉक को हम फिर क्रिएट करके, इसका जब स्केच बना के ये ब्लॉक्स बनते हैं, उसके बाद ये इसमें अप्लाइड होता है. सो सी द पल्ला, see there are two lines of this border, and these lines, these are all woven lines. See, these are all woven lines. So the sari will have a lavish get up. So this is the pleats, this is the pleating of the sari. So the sari, see how beautiful it looks. So that's the border, that is the border. The border looks like a complete weave, how is about the the concept of two states. It's a Vidarbha border, Tassar border, which has been hand blocked like this, and it's a Bengal weave sari. So that's the combination of the sari and the block. And the blouse piece here I have given a lovely natural dye ajrak. Can you see this? It's a natural dye ajrak. So see the teaming up. This is the blouse piece. That's the pallu of the sari. This is the blouse you're wearing with the sari. And so see the concept. Absolutely lavish, I guess. So these sarees are priced at 3240. 3240. 3240. Okay, so this includes the shipping part. So 3240. So that's the saree. This is saree number 1. Saree number 2 is in blue color. It's a sky blue body. Sky blue body. This is a sky blue body like this, lovely sky blue, very beautiful pastel, kind of a combination. So that is the palla. See the palla, hand block of the palla. See, it just looks like weaving. See the hand block. So there, the block, what block I have given, the block design is this. This is the block design. It's in white and blue. See, it's in white and blue kind of a combination. So this is the block design. This is the upper border, that's the lower border of the sari. The whole body has this kind of woven checks, woven, woven chevron kind of a weave, chevron kind of a weave. The whole sari has, there are vertical lines woven, there are horizontal lines woven. So the extra weft thread has gone on the warp, warp, along with the warp. It's warped, it's extra weft, threads which has run along with the warp. So this is the palla. This is the palla. Again a hand block, handloom mark sari. I'll do a quick, pleats. So this is the, so that's the pleat part. So that's the pleats. So this is the pleats of the sari. So the pleat would look like this. See, lovely, absolutely majestic. So that's the whole pleating of the sari, and this is the blouse I have given. So this is a Pedna Kalamkari, natural dye Pedna Kalamkari, natural dye blouse piece with this sari. See how, now see the grace. So that's the blouse piece with the sari. So that's the palla, that is the blouse, and so that is the sari. 3240. Another sari, another, this is a, yellow ochre. The body color is yellow ochre. The body color is yellow ochre yellow, light ochre yellow, actually light ochre yellow. So that's the combination. The block here is this, it's in olive green, the olive green, and the border combination is this. It is olive green and black, olive green and black. So here is the border combination. So if I just put my palla like this, so that's the palla, that is the palla of the sari, that is the palla of the sari. So this is the block, this is the block design, this is the Vidarbha block design going along with the sari. Upper and lower border, so that's the upper border, that is the lower border. Very nice and subtle kind of a combination, very nice and subtle kind of a combination. And the whole pleating of the sari, see how beautiful is the border looking, how beautiful is the border. See, absolutely it looks like weaving. So that's the, and a Vidarbha border, if you want to get it in weaving, so you know that what what is the damage. So this is the whole sari, and the whole body has this kind of brown, deep burnt sienna. Burnt sienna is the shade, actually the burnt sienna is the shade, this one, the extra weft shade. So this is the body weaving. And the blouse of this sari is again the same Pedana Kalamkari natural dye hand block. See, absolutely beautiful color combination and goes so beautiful with the sari. So 3240 combination, another combination, how beautiful. It's a dark blue and green combination, dark blue, and this is emerald green, dark blue, navy blue and emerald green is the combination. The body is off-white, the body is cream, actually the body is in cream color, cream and brown, brown, light brown is the body color. This is the palla, this is the majestic palla. See the majestic palla, that's the hand block border, that is the upper and the lower hand block border in the sari. So that's the Vidarbha border. So this border will come like this. See how exquisite. I don't think this kind of designing you have yet seen, because these are all, these comes as flash bulbs in my mind, and I keep doing it on my, immediately in the middle of the night I would think about a design like this, and I would feel that I should just rush to my block table and start doing the start do the block. So that's the combination, that is the combination. That's the pleats. See, this is the body of the sari. Very soft and very elegant. Very soft and very elegant. And this is the blouse piece. See the blouse fabric. And this is in khadi. The blouse fabric is in khadi and hand block. See the hand block combination. So this is the blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. And that's the palla. And 3240. The final one in this, the final one in this, the final one in this is this. It's a lavender shade. It's a lavender shade. So I've given this, this hand block as peach color. This is, so I have given a combination of peach. I've given a combination of peach. So this part is peach. This is peach color. This is a peach, and the other color here is brown. Yeah, peach and brown. So this is brown. This is brown and peach color combination. See how, absolutely, it's like just the woven border. This just looks like a woven border. So, people have such skills in our country. These block artists and the block artisans have such majestic kind of blocking concepts. And when we do this block prints, and when I'm standing over their head to make it done, so I just enjoy the work. I completely enjoy the work, and anytime, any moment, they always do it nice. But only thing is that you have to be a big vigil, you have to keep a vigil on them completely, otherwise the colors don't come. But well, they know how to do the work very nicely. So that's the lower part. That's the lower border. That is the lower border, and this is it. Very subtle and very nice. And see the body color. See the lavender shade with this burnt umber kind of a thread work. Extremely beautiful. So with this natural dye ajrak blouse piece. So this is the natural dye ajrak blouse piece with this. So yeah, so this is the combination. Very beautiful, very nice, and all are good. So thank you. Now to only the ajrak jamdani, ajrak natural dye ajrak on jamdani. These only two sarees are available, because they just go away like in a just palak, in 1 second. I mean, the moment they come, if I put it up, they just go away, because people who love these creations, who love these concepts, they just know that how, I mean, there is no word for the elegance for these sarees. So this is actually a jacquard jamdani. This is a jacquard, handloom jacquard jamdani, on which the ajrak has been done, on which this natural dye ajrak has been done. So this is the pallu. This is the palla. This part is the palla. The body color has come because of the processing, because of the pre-wash processing. This is the body color. This is the body color which has come. See the jamdani. Why I'm saying it's jacquard, because you can see from the back it's jacquard jamdani. So this is the one, and so this is the palla. The palla has full jamdani, and this is the body. So the body has magnificent natural dye ajrak work, and also the whole body has this red woven motifs inside. So it gives a very different look altogether. See, in this part the motifs are visible, jamdani motifs are visible. So it is like this. It is so elegant. See the elegance of the sari. See the elegance of the sari. I mean, I've just given a little starch to it, and so that's the whole concept. That is the whole concept, and that's when I make the pleats would come like this. It's a huge big sari, big length. 47 to 48 is the length of the sari, because Bengal saris are always very long. So that's the pleat part. This is the pleating of the sari. So it's like this. See the pleats. So the combination, very, I mean, there is no words to this mesmerizing beauties, and that's why I just love the craft of Ajrak. And you can apply them in so many fashionable ways. I mean, so many fashionable ways. See, so this is, and this is the blouse. So the blouse border matches with this sari border. So this is the blouse piece. Okay, so this sari is priced at 7450. 7450. This sari is priced at 7450. Now this one, this is a needle jamdani. This is a needle, this is basically the hand woven one, where you, this is also, that one is also handloom, but that's jacquard handloom, and this is hand woven. So anyway, at any day the hand woven goes is more in pricing and cost. See this one, totally the yarn is twisted and done. So this is, and this has a very different and a very unique block work, very unique. And the body is 100 count cotton, that is also cotton. So this is the palla, mesmerizing palla, and see the back of the palla. So this is completely hand woven. The border is also, see the border is also completely hand woven, completely hand woven. So this is the body of the sari, this is the body of the sari. And so the whole sari has this kind of a getup, whole sari has this kind of a getup. So let me, if I do a pleat for this sari, this just falls, the fabric is so good that it just falls as an organza or something. See the mesmerizing body of the sari, see the pleats, see the color combination. So that is the whole body of the sari. So ये है पूरी साड़ी, और ये है इसकी ब्लाउज. ये जो ब्लाउज है, ये ब्लाउज इसके साथ मैचिंग है. इसका जो बॉर्डर आप देख रहे हैं with the border design. So the border design is here in this blouse border. So the blouse is pure khadi material. The blouse is pure khadi and it is dyed in natural indigo. So that is the combination of the sari blouse. This is 8450. So these are the two only ajraks I have in Jamdani I have now available. Anybody interested, please let me know. Thank you so much.